Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where the error reads that the Windows cannot connect to the printer, operation failed with error 0x0000011B. Let's fix it guys. You just need to search registry editor, click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and now expand the system and now expand the current control set and now expand the control and now you just need to search for print. Click on it. At this point you just need to know the file path location. In my video I will zoom in. After checking it on right side you just need to right click on the blank space and select new and select default 32-bit value. Name this value R caps letter or PC, A caps letter AU, THN, L caps letter LEVEL, P caps letter PRIVACY, E caps letter ENABLED or PC Authentic Level Privacy Enabled AUTHN. That's exactly how you see in my screen. Press enter and now you just need to double click on this value. Set this to 0. If you already have this name value you just need to double click on the value, and if any other values written over here you just need to change to 0 and select OK for save changes. Now you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC you just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open the troubleshoot setting. Click on other troubleshooters and select the printer troubleshoot to run. Follow the on-screen instruction. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.